Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here with just another quick update. So I confirmed the information that I was looking at with the E600LFP, and I just want to make sure that everybody fully understands the changes. I'm going to call this the version 2, the E600LFP version 2. I already updated it on the Buy Me a Coffee thing that we got started with the database. So if you guys want to go see that, feel let's see, that is located, let's see, right, I gotta find it here, guys, give me a second. It's running slow. Okay, I'm editing another video here. Okay, so on this one, if you go to this page and you want to use the database, you could use this little search bar right here. It's much easier because there's like 70 or 80 companies on there. So you just type in, start typing Pecron, and it'll thin the herd, if you will, for you, and then you can just click on it. So now the information that we received has, like I said, it's been confirmed. So I made a version 1, okay, which is for the database in case you guys want to download it. These are free, absolutely free. I did it for you guys, the subscriber family stuff. And you can see that the old one is 400 watts max, and you get the hard case. And then the new one that I just updated is the soft case, and only 300 watts max. Now there's another thing that's changed, which is this one, and I have to update this now as soon as I confirm this, which I have. I just have to make a new database thing again. So apparently the AC adapter is not 42 volts by 7. According to what I was told, it is only 210 watts out. And if anybody can, double, triple confirm this, I always want to confirm everything before I put it out there. That way you have good information. So those are the 3 things that are changed, guys. Is like I said, you could have all these pictures, guys. These are there for you. I also did the E2000LFP version 1, and this is not the version 1, version 2 of the original with the different menus and everything. This is the actual hardware changes, where this one has these 6 outlets, and this one has, notice, the only 4, with the 5th one being an RV port outlet. And then that also changed, I believe, to the oh, you know what, this is the wrong picture. I got to do this one over again, guys. This is the E600LFP, so this one I have to update. So pay no attention to this in the box area right here. I was just trying to make it so quick that I forgot to, and then these I kind of made a little elongated, so I have to do this one again. Version 2 has got to be redone. But guys, these are free if you want them. Give me about 15 minutes and I'll have a new picture up there. That's at the Buy Me a Coffee. If you guys need anything, there's promo codes, flash sales, and then that database on this page. Okay, so let's get rid of this here, guys. And then if we go to the website now, like I said, I contacted them and I had some stuff changed. Even though I don't work for Pecron, I'm kind of like a Chihuahua dog. If you don't fix something, I kind of hound you until you fix it, because I think that's fair for the consumers and definitely the subscriber family here, because we all depend on each other for this information. So if you want to order this box at all, if I click open here, like I said, it's going a little slow because of the net, and I'm editing. Okay, so notice that the last video that I made, this right here said 400 watts max solar charging. So that's been changed now. And I have no access to this website, of course, so they had to change it. But I kind of, I yelled a bunch, and then they got it changed really quick, because I said we can't have this wrong information out there, because people have to have the proper. I'll be honest. If I bought this and it didn't say what it said here, I would be upset with that. So why knock out the middleman of being upset, and then write what you're selling, and then people don't have that shock value. You know what I mean? It's very simple equation. So all the other pictures also, I had them take down. The ones that said, if you guys remember, some of the pictures said like 24 to 48. Let me triple check here if all of them are gone. Yep, see, 32 to 95. Okay, so that one's different now, and then this one 32 to 95. So at least they're listening here. Let's see. Yep, see, 32 to 95. Okay. Oh, that means I could have done that to these two. Sorry, guys. Yep, 32 to 95, and all right, 32 to 95. Okay, so all the pictures have been updated, guys. But that's very, very big information. 3295 and then 300 watts max. So hopefully people are able to use this information positively. And then I believe this was changed already here. Let's see, blah 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 blah. and then here's the good blah blah blah. Okay, so right there. Okay, so 300. So everything, guys, is updated, and boy, I guess the old the old saying is, if you want something done right, you have to do it yourself. So like I said, I hounded them until they changed this, guys, because I believe this is 100%. The correct way to do stuff is, my old saying was, you know, if I buy $5 of product from you, I want my $5 of product. You don't have to give me more, that would be nice, but I want exactly what I was promised. And if the numbers are not correct, you're not getting what you're promised. Alright, so I hope this helps you guys. This will be even a shorter video than the last one, which is rare for me, but I want to get the information out there, guys. Go to the Buy Me a Coffee, save those pages. E2000LFP will be updated, hopefully by the time this video is done. Might take a few more minutes than that, but it'll have all the correct pictures on there that I can find. I was doing both at the same time, and that's how that mix-up got happened with the E600 and the contents for the E600 on the bottom of the paper. But all right, guys, well, ramble on, be safe, and then definitely if you have any questions or comments, please throw it on this video. This is a short one now, so feel free to throw a comment on this one, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye, guys.